Kiss your ass goodbye, Frieza.
No. 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 No, no, no!
I'm afraid you're finished, Frieza. Go back to hell. What's so damn funny?
I'm not the one who's through here. You and your planet are finished!
Frieza!
What? Why, you?
All right, Frieza. Looks like I'm gonna have to finish you off myself after all. I'm not letting you pull any more of your tricks!
But how? How could he possibly know what I was planning? No! No! No, 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 no! You have gotten in my way for the last time, Goku! This will not stand! I refuse to share a universe with the likes of you!
There's no doubt about it. You're pure evil.
You're just now realizing that? I'm going to reduce you in this sorry excuse for a planet into dust!
Not on my watch or not.
Have you now? Excellent! Excellent!
Lend me your energy!
Excellent! Excellent!
Are you really saying that
I'll reduce you to nothing but dust! There will be nothing left with you!
Lend me your energy!
I will have my revenge! I will not fail this time!
You're finished, Frieza!
I'll kill you! Then reduce your pathetic planet to space debris!
It's gonna happen!
There will be nothing left when I'm done with you! Excellent! Excellent! What is it? Why, you? When I'm done with you! Have you now?
Are you really so eager to die?
Have you now? No! What did you? Excellent! Excellent!
Tell me, are you really so eager to die? Tell me, are you really so eager to die?
I will not lose to you again! Do you hear me? left when I'm done with you! Suffer! Have you now?
Tell me, are you really so eager to die? Tell me, are you really so eager to die?
Have you now? Have you now? I'll reduce you to nothing but dust. There'll be nothing left when I'm done with you. Have you now?
Tell me, are you really so eager to die? Are you really so eager to die?
Have you now?
Take this!
Does it! He does it! I will not lose to the likes of you! Does it! Not again!
Damn you, Kakarot! Why'd you do that?
Sorry about that, Vegeta. Trust me, I've got a good reason.
I don't give a damn what your reason is. My turn with Frieza wasn't over!
Dad, what in the world happened?
Okay, here's the thing.
Well, now this is embarrassing. A god of destruction saving a world instead of destroying it.
Oh, don't be like that, Lord Beerus. At least we still have access to Earth's mouth-watering food. And just so you know, those two seem to have mastered that new power of theirs. I dare say they may have what it takes to give you a good fight. Provided they drop their bravado and actually attempt to work together. It could happen.
I doubt that.
He turned back time. Kinda hard to believe. Still, if anyone can pull off a technique like that, it'd be Whis.
You know, I've been doing some thinking. We managed to win this time, but we probably could have finished off Frieza super quick if we had fought together from the very beginning.
I'd sooner die than work alongside you. I don't need your help or anyone else's.
Glad to hear that, Vegeta. I'd much rather fight alone too, if I'm completely honest.
Those two. They are quite the handful, aren't they?
Let's go, Whis. Well, at least they finally agree on something.
And so, Frieza's villainous plan to invade Earth and exact revenge against Goku was foiled yet again. The world was once again at peace. However, Goku and Vegeta would not rest, but instead went back to continue their training, to become stronger and push themselves to even greater levels. The question remains, was this the last time Goku and Frieza would cross paths? Only time will tell.